I got 2 joke stories for everybody. Okay. Here we are. A burglar has just made it into the house he is intending ransacking, and he is looking around for stuff to steal. All of a sudden, a little voice pipes up, "I can see you, and so can Jesus." Startled, the burglar looks around the room. No one there at all, so he goes back to his business. "I can see you, and so can Jesus." The burglar jumps again, and takes a longer look around the room. Over in the corner by the window, almost obscured by curtains, is a cage in which sits a parrot, who pipes up again, "I can see you, and so can Jesus." "So what?" says the burglar, "You re only a parrot." To which the parrot replies, "Maybe, but Jesus is a Rottweiler." Oh. No. I got another one joke. Let me tell you. Okay, here I start. Recently, the Psychic Hotline and Psychic Friends Network have launched hotlines for frogs. Here is the story of one frog and his discussing with his psychic. A frog telephones the psychic hotline and is told, "You are going to meet a beautiful young girl who will want to know everything about you." The frog says, "This is great. Will I meet her at a party, or what?" "No," says the psychic. "Next semester in her biology class." Thanks for watching. Story is over.